Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Google Pixel Fold. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Realme. Nextly, Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Google Pixel. If you can't see any kind of pop-up on Google Pixel device, click on History just for a moment and tap on one of those options to decide what you wish to do with Add Personalization. Click on Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Select Close this window and tap on Receive again. Then you can finally go back to Realme. Thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select multiple files that you wish to send and then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Google Pixel. Select while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. Last but not least, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!